Over 50? Let me share something powerful with you. Japanese elders are some of the healthiest and longest living people on earth. And it's not because of gyms or fancy workouts. It's because of simple movements they do every single day. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Do I need exercise at my age? No, thank you. But here's the truth. You don't need a treadmill. You don't need to lift weights. What you need are a few easy movements that keep your body strong, steady, and mobile. And here in the US, the numbers are worrying. Only about 1 in 7 Americans over 65 actually meet the recommended activity levels. That means most seniors aren't moving enough. And that's why daily, simple movement matters. So today, let's talk about 6 movements Japanese elders do every day. That requires no gym, just natural daily results. Movement 1, sit to stand. Think of this one as practice for standing up out of your favorite chair. Just sit, then stand using the strength of your legs. Sit again, then stand again. It keeps your thighs and hips strong, so you stay independent. Every time you stand from a chair or a couch, you're already doing it. Now, do it with intention from henceforth. Movement 2, gentle knee bends. Japanese elders love slow, mindful knee bends. It's not a deep squats, just soft bends. You just lower down a little, then rise back up. This strengthens your knees and helps with balance. Making this movements daily helps us to protect your joints and keep you steady. The third movement is heel lifts. Dear friends, to make this movement, you have to stand tall and slowly rise up on your toes, lifting your heels off the floor. Hold for a moment, then lower back down. This helps to strengthen your calves and ankles. This is what helps you walk longer, steadier, and with more confidence. Movement 4, gentle torso twists. You just sit or stand and softly turn your upper body left, then right. Keep it smooth, keep it easy. This keeps your back flexible. This helps with everyday reaching and makes your body feel looser instead of being stiff. The fifth movement that Japanese elders makes every day that enables them to live stronger and longer is called arm lifts and reaches. To make this movement, you will have to gently lift your arms forward or out to the side. Reach upward like you're putting something on a high shelf. This keeps your shoulders open and mobile. It's a simple way to improve posture and make reaching for things easier for you. Movement 6, varied steps. Don't just walk forward. Try stepping sideways or even a gentle backward step. Small changes like this challenge your balance. This is one reason Japanese elders stay agile. They train the body to handle movement in different directions. The beauty of these 6 movements is how natural they are. You do not have to stress yourself to this movement or carry heavy weight or far distance. Just stay fit as a senior. Do them every day and you'll notice you get up from chairs more easily. You walk with more confidence and your balance improves. That's how Japanese elders stay active well into their 80s and 90s. With these small daily habits, they are able to protect their independence without being dependent. So here's the recap of the 6 movements. 1, sit to stand. 2, gentle knee bends. 3, heel lifts. 4, torso twists. 5, arm lifts and reaches. 6, varied steps. These movements are simple, natural, and powerful. Do them daily and your body will thank you. If this video helped you, give it a like so other seniors can see it too. And don't forget to subscribe. Join our community of seniors staying strong, mobile, and full of life. And before you go, I want to leave you with this. May your days be filled with strength, balance, and peace of mind. May every step you take bring you more health and joy. Take care of yourself, my friend.